Number 1. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. The truck is powered by a throttle body injected 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering reliable performance and smooth operation. It carries a rebuilt title but starts, runs, and drives great. Recently, significant maintenance and upgrades have been completed, enhancing its dependability and comfort. Within the past few weeks, the owner has replaced the water pump, and the entire air conditioning system has been renewed, including the condenser, lines, compressor, and evaporator core, ensuring that the AC works perfectly. Additionally, it has received a new heater core, radiator, thermostat, both temperature sensors, alternator, and battery. The truck also has fresh oil, along with new spark plugs and wires, with only about 250 miles driven since those updates. Number 2. 1995 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,499, features an automatic transmission and a sleek gold exterior that highlights its classic yet timeless look. Under the hood lies a 305 TBI engine, completely original and well-maintained, offering the reliable performance Chevrolet trucks are known for. The transmission was rebuilt approximately 10 years ago, ensuring smooth and dependable shifting. Performance enhancements include a Pipes Y-Pipe paired with a Flowmaster 3-inch exhaust system, providing a deep, aggressive tone and improved exhaust flow. The truck is equipped with a 3.42 rear axle ratio, with only 80,000 miles on the complete rear axle, contributing to a balanced combination of power and efficiency. Visually, the Silverado sits on SS truck wheels, giving it a sporty and authentic appearance. It has been lowered with 2-inch drop springs and 2-inch drop spindles in the front, complemented by a C-notch 6-inch drop in the rear, creating a clean, level stance that enhances both its aesthetic appeal and handling dynamics. Number 3. 1997 GMC Sierra 3500, price $6,000. It has approximately 193,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior and interior, and runs on gasoline. This truck starts, runs, and drives exceptionally well, with no mechanical issues or performance problems. The V8 engine delivers strong and reliable power, and both the engine and transmission are known for their long-lasting durability. They're practically bulletproof. Despite being an older model, it remains in great working condition, with only a few minor scratches and small dings typical for its age. The long box design makes it ideal for landscaping work, daily driving, or hauling equipment and materials, offering plenty of space and versatility. Overall, this Sierra 3500 is a dependable and hard-working truck, built to handle both professional and everyday tasks with ease. Number 4. 1984 Toyota pickup, price $7,400, with approximately 151,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 2.4L gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience typical of Toyota's legendary engineering from the era. The truck features rear-wheel drive, making it both capable and efficient for everyday use or light hauling. The exterior is finished in a refined off-white color, which pairs beautifully with its tan interior, both of which are in impressive condition for a vehicle of its age. The paintwork remains smooth and glossy, showing great care from previous ownership. Inside, the cabin is exceptionally clean, with well-preserved seats, panels, and trims that speak to its careful maintenance. This pickup also rides on high-quality tires in excellent condition, ensuring a steady and confident feel on the road. Number 5. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It's powered by a 5.7-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck retains its original blue exterior color, complemented by a beige interior, giving it a timeless and clean look. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, ensuring comfort in any weather. With 262,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has seen some use but remains in running condition. It features a Flowmaster exhaust system with a muffler delete, giving it a more aggressive tone. The new tires provide improved traction and stability, while 5% tinted windows, except for the windshield, enhance privacy and style. The truck does have some rust and cosmetic imperfections in the paint, along with minor damage on the passenger door, typical for its age. It's also equipped with a plastic bed liner, protecting the bed from wear and tear. Number 6. 1984 Chevrolet C20, price $7,000, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering both reliability and the unmistakable character of a classic American pickup. It features a bright white exterior paired beautifully with a timeless blue interior, creating a clean, eye-catching contrast that captures the spirit of vintage craftsmanship. this truck runs and drives solidly, maintaining the robust feel that Chevy trucks from this era are known for. While it hasn't been fully restored, that's precisely what makes it so appealing. It's the perfect starting point for someone looking to build and personalize their dream square body. The body is straight, with smooth and flawless white paint that gives it a solid base to work with, ready for anyone who wants to enhance it over time. Number 7. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,800. It has covered 245,000 original miles and is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a green exterior and a tan interior, running on gasoline. It runs and drives great with no check engine lights, and the transmission shifts both strong and smoothly. The vehicle has been upgraded with a new radio and speakers, already wired for an amplifier and subwoofers, making it ready for an enhanced audio setup. In terms of condition, the truck shows typical wear for its age but remains solid overall. The body is in good shape, with only a small rust spot on the passenger cab corner and no major dents. There are a few minor issues. It has a small oil leak, the headliner needs replacement, and the driver's side window doesn't fully go down. Number 8. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, powered by a 305 V8 engine and a 700R4 automatic transmission. It starts, runs, drives, and stops great. Recent maintenance includes a new distributor cap, rotor, plugs, wires, and front brakes, ensuring reliable performance. It's equipped with power windows and locks, and features a switch suspension 5/7 drop kit, complete with a bolt-in C-notch, a setup even featured on Switch Suspension's website. The body shows minor rust on the rockers, but cab corners remain clean, keeping its solid grandpa build charm intact. Inside, the matching blue interior complements the exterior nicely. While the radio isn't working, everything else functions well. The truck holds a salvage South Carolina title, yet it remains a dependable, nicely lowered classic Chevy ready to hit the road. Number 9. 1974 Ford Ranger, price $9,500. Under the hood, it's equipped with a 360 engine mated to a C6 automatic transmission, featuring a 650 Holley carburetor, an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, headers, and Flowmaster mufflers, all contributing to its smooth and powerful performance. The truck has a new windshield, 17-inch wheels and tires, and tinted windows that add both style and practicality. Although there is some minor rust above the wheel wells, visible in photos, the vehicle remains in solid and original condition. The current owner has known the history of this truck for over 35 years, which adds confidence to its authenticity and maintenance record. Additional upgrades include green accent lighting in the wheel wells, headlights, and bed rails, as well as an aftermarket stereo system for a more enjoyable driving experience. Number 10. 1987 Ford F250, price $6,500. This truck is a classic, diesel-powered pickup with a manual transmission, featuring a striking black exterior paired with a vivid red interior. The truck is equipped with a strong engine and a solid chassis, showcasing the durability Ford trucks are known for. Although it has minor mechanical issues, they are typical for a vehicle of its age and do not affect its overall performance. The air conditioning system works properly, ensuring comfort even on warm days. Originally purchased in Florida, this antique F250 runs strong and continues to deliver reliable power and capability, reflecting both its rugged build and timeless appeal.